So Connor, we're going to look at Ferguson, full year results out on Tuesday and performing quite well.
Yeah, fantastic. I think it's up nearly a fifth. It's effectively at all-time highs at the moment, around, I think, just above 65.50. You know, Ferguson, formerly Wellesley, sort of renamed itself because the US division is far the biggest part of the company. I think is doing very well at the moment. I think that the third quarter in June, I think it was revenue at the US division was up 11.5%. In comparison to the UK division, it was down 10.9%. Now, though that sort of sounds like it would cancel each other out, the size of the US division is so much bigger that it didn't really impact things at all. Plus, the UK division, that decline is largely due to restructuring rather than a significantly bad performance. Obviously, it's being restructured because it wasn't doing too well. Yeah. But revenue at the UK division was up 0.7%. So there is progress there, despite it still being in the midst of a turnaround. Yeah. I think overall total organic revenue growth for the third quarter was like 7.1% to nearly $5.1 billion. I think trading profit was up 17.1%, which is obviously very healthy, to $356 million as well. I think basically, in terms of its full year figures on Tuesday, investors are just going to want more of the same. Then they're going to want that organic revenue growth to have stayed above 7% for the full year, which it looks, unless there's major issues in the fourth quarter, it probably should hit that level. Yeah. I think then in terms of pre-tax profit, I think at the half year it was up 7.5% to just shy of $600 million. So again, anything above 7% in that regard, I think, will be welcomed. Yeah. Obviously, there is the risk, however, that given it is currently at basic all-time highs, that, the slightest bit of negativity, be it in those full year figures or any guidance for the upcoming financial year, could drag it lower.
Yeah. Spread clients, they're still in?
Yeah, they're still buying around the 65.50 mark, but sellers have started to creep in at those levels. I think, they're going to be on the lookout. At those kinds of levels, investors have become fairly pedantic with the figures that are released. So any kind of, the slightest hint of disappointment there could have an oversized reaction from the stock in terms of a negative sort of pullback below those all-time highs.
Okay, thanks, Connor.